COVID-19 positive cases have reached 7 after 5 more cases were reported today. Now, the 7 COVID-19 positive patients contracted the disease from the neighboring country, Somalia, after they crossed the border to sell their livestock. And of course, as reporter Isadine Haji reports more in regards to this, and cross-border pastoralism could escalate the number of coronavirus infections in the northeastern in the event that this is not looked into.
As the country's total number of confirmed COVID-19 positive cases rise past 500 mark, Wajir County has registered 5 more positive cases, bringing the total number in the county to 7. In the past 24 hours, the county had tested 9 samples at the regional referral laboratory, and only 4 samples turned out negative.
The long porous border with Somalia is now the new front of infections in our country.
Panic has gripped Wajir County after 5 more cases of the highly contagious coronavirus were reported in the county border Somalia. The porous nature of the border and public defiance are not making the situation any better. So far, 30 people are in different quarantine centers in Wajir, with most of them being pastoralists picked up along the Kenyan border with Somalia.
Our efforts bore fruits, and we intercepted more individuals sneaking back into our country and the contacts of the earlier ones.
The greatest worry for the county now is the long border with Somalia, as the 7 positive cases are as a result of cross-border migrations. Wajir town is just over 100 kilometers away from the border of Somalia, hence making it difficult for the county to deal with pastoral movements between the two countries. Pastoralists from northeastern region often travel to Mogadishu for livestock trade, and this is another major challenge since Somalia is equally ravaged by COVID-19.
But our security agencies will be vigilant along the borderline and ensure that interceptions and roadblocks are placed in strategic areas. But what is more critical ni wananchi kuvolunteer information. Hiyo tu.
Wajir's neighboring county to the north, Mandera, is now under lockdown following confirmation of 8 positive cases of COVID-19. With Wajir County's COVID-19 cases now standing at 8, similar measures or worse could be taken in order to slow the spread of the virus.
If in the next couple of days the situation continues as it is now, then there is a likelihood of us being put under the same lockdown.
Even as the spread of the virus in the county is blamed at pastoralists crossing to the neighboring country of Somalia, the bigger question is how many more livestock traders could have found their way in without getting noticed and probably carrying the virus. Isadine Haji, TV 47, Wajir County.
Well, and in the best interest